Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to delete Facebook page permanently. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to delete your Facebook page permanently. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your Facebook account. I already opened my Facebook account, and then you need to click this profile icon, and whenever click see all profile, you will see all your this is your profile and this is your pages. So if you decide to for example, I would like to delete this page, so I'm going to click this and immediately my profile going to be switched to this page. And I would like to delete this Facebook page. So what you have to do, you have to click again this page, and then we'll see it's going to be looks like this. And this is the latest theme Facebook template, which is really difficult for you to delete a Facebook page. But what we will do, we will just click this three dot and we will change this page to classic page. So we're going to click this switch to classic page, and it will give you classic page are going away soon. So we will we don't need to worry about, because we want to delete this page. So we're going to click here, okay, I understood, and then we're going to click here continue, and then we're going to click here continue, and we're going to click here continue, and we're going to click here switch back. Now this Facebook page is going to be changed into classic view, so that will help us to delete our Facebook page very easily. So it takes some time to switching from latest theme to classic view. So we're going to click here, go back, and then we'll see this is our Facebook page, and it's now appear with the oldest theme or oldest layout. So what you have to do is to scroll down from here, and then we will find here settings. After click over settings, scroll down, and then you will see this is the remove page. We're going to click here delete your page. Now if I click here delete your page, and we'll see a screen appear just like this. Actually this is the Facebook page. Before it was a profile, and then it's covered to Facebook page. So this page is giving me 14 days. For example, if I click here delete, this page will be delayed, but it's going to be unpublished from everyone. So after 14 days this page going to completely delete from everywhere. But if you have a normal Facebook page, and that if you click here remove page, that's going to be completely deleted from Facebook immediately. But there is a Facebook giving you option, you can make your Facebook page to unpublish. So if anytime you decide to return back, you can return back. So it's up to you. If you decide to delete, you can click here delete, and then a pop-up going to be appear. You can click here delete, and that page is going to be deleted. So in this simple way you can easily delete Facebook page. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.